Hi guys, I'm Mahi. Welcome back to my channel. Tell me, how are you all? I really hope you all are doing amazing. So today's video is gonna be about some clothing hacks that will totally save your life, because these problems are, like we girls face it very often. So yeah, I hope it helps you, because these are really simple tips and tricks that I have for you, that I have for my girlies. So yeah, without further ado, let's go into the video. So the first hack that I have for you guys is how to shorten the length of any lightly flared bottoms. Just take a hair tie which is not too tight for you, obviously, because you don't wanna stop that blood flow, and then just do it as shown in the video. It will give the puffed look from the bottom, and I think that it's pretty cool. What do you think? The second hack is to make any boring outfit a little interesting by adding just a belt. If you don't like such huge belts, you can go for thin ones, but I think corset belts make you look really good and makes your figure look like bomb, so why not try it? Okay, comment down below right now if you, my girl, can relate to this. I just love wearing shirts, but they can be annoying sometimes. So to prevent making this loop in between your buttons, you can use a double-sided tape. You can find such tapes really easily. You can find such stick-ons which are made especially for clothes in Forever 21 as well. Fourth hack that I have for you is how to crop a tee without cut and sew. Just tie a knot in the front, or you can always use a clear tie to put it in place. I know some girls don't like to show a knot, so what you can do is tie it at the back and roll it inside. It's pretty easy, right? Pro tip: when you tie a knot, just make sure you're tying it to the smallest area of your waist, because that's where I think it looks the best. Off shoulder tops, who does not love them, right? Oh, but wait, that's the problem, they won't stay. Don't you worry, your girl is here to the rescue. Yeah. Okay, just take 2 safety pins and a hair tie and follow the steps as shown in the video. Can you just see how boring does this t-shirt look? Oh my god. So the sixth hack that I have for you guys is how to make your t-shirt a little interesting and give it sort of a peplum look. For this you'll need 2 hair ties. Just roll your t-shirt upside and tie it as shown in the video from both the sides. And ta-da! That is how it looks. I think it looks pretty cool. What do you say about it? So that was it for this video. I really hope you find this helpful. Comment down below which one was your favorite hack. Also, don't forget to like this video if you really like this video. Also, most important, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell notification just next to it. So whenever I post a new video, you will get to know, because it's important. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. अभी मैंने बोला क्या? मुझे क्या पता? मैंने जो ऊपर तो हुआ नहीं हो। पिक को खराब करा देते हो। अब फिर से करो.